we are solving the fourth sum of exercise number 6.1, that is your trigonometric first exercise, fourth sum. Wherein the information given to you all is 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is what? 0. By using this information, we are supposed to find out the value of sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. So initially whatever information is given, we are going to extract more information from it. They are given 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta equals to what? 0. Equals to 0. This 12 cosec theta is negative this side. If I am taking on the opposite side, it becomes what? Positive. It becomes positive. So therefore I can say 5 sec theta equals to 12 cosec theta equals to what? 12 cosec theta. What we have did, this negative was taken on the opposite, became what? Positive. Now, in this what we can see is 5 is to be multiplied by sec, 1 is to be 12 is to be multiplied by cosec. What it will do? This 12 is multiplication on this side. On the opposite side it becomes what? Division. So this can be written as 5 divided by 12 equals to, cosec was already over here, cosec theta, and this theta is also multiplication. On the opposite side it becomes what? Division. Sec theta. Now just have a look over here. Cosec theta upon sec theta. Cosec theta upon sec theta can also be written as what? Cot theta. Can be also written as what? Cot theta. And the value of cot theta comes to what? 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12. We have got the value of cot theta, that is 5 upon 12. This was your first step. Now moving to second step. Moving to second step, what we will do? We will plot a triangle. We will plot a triangle. Let us what? A, B and C. Taking B as 90 degree and C as the respective theta we are considering. Cot theta. We have got the value of cot theta. The value of cot theta as what? The value of cot theta. We have got 5 upon 3. We have got it as what? Sorry, 5 upon 12. The value is 5 upon 12. But just have a look over here. Cot theta. Initially we might have seen cot theta, for tan theta the formula is opposite upon adjacent. The cot, it is reciprocal of it. We will write, it will be adjacent side upon opposite side. The adjacent side is what? BC. Adjacent side is BC, whereas opposite side is AB. That is, sorry, AB. For that we are going to get the value as 5 upon 12. Now just will explain this in detail. Cot theta we got it as what? 5 upon 12. The formula for cot theta is adjacent side upon opposite side. Okay, adjacent side upon opposite side. Now look at a triangle. For theta, the adjacent side is BC and opposite side is AB. So BC upon AB, the value is what? 5 upon 12. So I am placing the value in the triangle to make it very clear. BC is 5 and AB is 12. I can find AC in triangle ABC. Angle B is what? 90 degrees. So we can apply Pythagoras. This sum further can be solved by other methods also, by using other trigonometric formula. But by using Pythagoras, I can find out the third side and find the other values. Why I am going for Pythagoras theorem? Because it is very familiar to all the students. Since 5th standard we have been learning about Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. So same we are going to apply over here. According to Pythagoras theorem, I can say AC square equals to what? AB square plus BC square. AB is 12 whereas BC is 5. Therefore, AC square comes to 144 plus 25. AC square equals to 169. Wherein I can say AC equals to what? Square root of 169 AC comes to 13 units. It comes to 13 units. So I got AC is what? 13. Now a last step, third step. I will write whatever formulas I am needing. Sec theta, then we are needing cos theta, then we are needing sin theta. We will just write the formulas over here. The sin theta, the formula is what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. For cos theta it is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay. For sec theta we are having what? Hypotenuse upon adjacent. Hypotenuse upon adjacent. So what we will do now, after this we are going to just substitute the value. What is my hypotenuse? That is AC. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is BC. The value that we are going to get is 13 upon 5. Hypotenuse upon adjacent, that is AC upon BC, gives you what? 13 upon 5. For cos theta, it is adjacent side. What is your adjacent side? BC. What is your hypotenuse? That is AC. Is what? 5 upon 13. And lastly, we are needing sin theta. Formula is opposite side upon hypotenuse. What is your opposite? That is your AB. And your hypotenuse is AC. AB comes to 12 and AC comes to 13. That is the way we are solving this sum. This sum was little lengthier compared to earlier sum because we were supposed to find out a particular value. They have given 5 sec theta minus 12 cos theta equals to 0. By using this information, I got the value of cot theta, through which we were able to find out all the three sides. And then just substitute the value to get the values of the ratio. If you would have understood this lecture, please like it and share it to your friends so that even they can understand the sum and try to fetch more and more marks for your board exam. Thank you.